Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you where is activity lock in Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started in the video. Open the Facebook and you will here on my screen and tap on this menu icon on the top right corner. From here what you have to do, just tap on the profile and from here click on the three dot on the left side, this one. From here you will see this activity log icon. Tap on it and from here you will find all the activity regarding your public posts or your tag or Instagram. This is how you find activity log in Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet on my next video. Thank you.